A new study explored how people judge gluten-free cookies and whether those with celiac disease perceive them differently. Researchers tested three types: a commercial gluten-free blend, a buckwheat cookie, and a coconut-based cookie. 100 people participated, about half with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. Participants rated each cookie's appearance, aroma, texture, taste, sweetness, and off flavors on a 0 to 100 scale. They also considered whether long-term gluten-free eating affected their impressions. Across all tasters, the coconut cookie was the clear winner. It delivered the best aroma, most appealing color, and richest flavor and texture, likely due to coconut's naturally higher fat, fiber, and sweetness. The gluten-free blend cookie landed in the middle. Familiar but not exceptional. The buckwheat cookie rated lowest due to its earthy flavor, darker color, and slight bitterness. Researchers then compared ratings from celiac and non-celiac participants, and most scores were nearly identical. Celiac participants noticed off flavors slightly more, but the differences were small and didn't change the overall results. Another key finding: sensory qualities were highly connected. Better color often meant better aroma and taste. Eliminating off flavors raised overall liking. For gluten-free product developers, the message is clear. Ingredients like coconut can naturally improve flavor and texture, while buckwheat may need blending or balancing. Testing panels also don't need to be limited to gluten-free consumers, since both groups rate products similarly. Overall, the study shows that smart ingredient choices, not special adjustments, can make gluten-free cookies enjoyable for everyone.